Every commercial solar project can stumble on a single document, and that's the bill of materials. The bill of materials should be your strongest foundation, not your biggest risk on your new solar project. That's why we've developed a sharp SAA-approved training program designed to refine what actually goes into a bill of materials. In just 20 minutes, we break down every element you need to include, how to spec it properly, and how to avoid costly oversights. We unpack every component, rails, trays, fasteners, and the hidden gotchas that can sink your margin. It's what Greenwood uses on every single one of their jobs. You'll walk away with the ability to create professionally accurate and, most of all, a scalable bill of materials that help you quote smarter, install smoother, and manage job costs as you go. Downloadable spreadsheet templates and calculators that are yours to keep forever. Real project examples and workflows, and of course, 10 CPD points. This course will save you time, reduce your margin of error, and raise your project management efficiency. Our crews build, commission, and maintain commercial solar systems all year round. The methods you'll see aren't classroom hypotheticals. They're the very processes that keep our own projects on time and under budget. Stop guessing and start quoting with precision. Tap and roll, join the pros in upgrading their workflow with Greenwood Academy, and build your next project on a rock-solid bill of materials spreadsheet.